So we're celebrating Independence Day by liberating some classic American iron from, well, here. This is an old case backhoe. It has not ran in many years. I don't know the exact model. We think it's a, what, a 480 Construction King?
I think it's a 480.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a 580.
It's a Model 31 backhoe for sure. I can read that much, but the rest of it's here. The engine turns over. It is stuck in gear. The hydraulic system, the overall condition is very unknown, but for now it doesn't function, so we're going to have to use the winch to move literally everything on this machine. So yeah, it's going to be fun. We got the trailer, we got the old F-250. Let's get it out of here. You can see that's been welded at some point, or something done to it.
I don't know, we can clean it up.
And this,
it's been welded here.
It's been welded over on the other side of the loader too. Yeah, it's been welded here. It's been JB welded over here.
Oh, there's the chain.
Oh, for the stabilizer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know I've seen it somewhere.
Yeah, and it's stuck in, I guess that'd be third gear. Either first or third. The story is, ran when parked, they shut it off, it rolled a little bit, and now the transmission is just stuck in gear. I think we're going to run into something more serious than that, which is why we're not going to try to start this thing and drive it out of here.
There it goes. All those valves were starting to stick.
That's all the up we're going to get. I don't like it, but I don't know what else to do.
There's nothing else I can hook to up there.
We're just gonna have to go gentle. She's giving. We're done.
It's up.
That's it.
Now I wonder if it's gonna hold. There, see, I got it hooked right here. Does that work for you?
Yeah, right on the pivot.
That greaser's screwed up anyway. So.
Yep, so this should pull up.
Ooh.
That's no good.
Big curls clear up.
Watch that boom.
Oh, you're gonna miss the band now. So.
Oh, good. Chance. Oh. Well, there's that.
It's just gonna take it to sit on the ground.
It's not quite on the ground, but it's real close. Is that chain going to be a problem? Yes. Got it.
So I thought I had one of these cylinders rebuilt. One of the turn
If you
cylinders.
did, I'd say it was this one. There we go. She's square. On the trail.
go up and over that?
I don't know.
I don't want to damage your trailer.
If this was bigger, it might. There we go.
It's just because his tire's flat.
Yeah.
You haul things more than I do anymore, but I want to make sure that arm is not going to swing at all when we're traveling. I feel safe wrapping a chain to the trailer.
I'm honestly wondering if we don't try to sit it down.
Let's get the ramps upside down.
Yeah.
I'd feel safer.
I would too. I'd much rather have that thing down.
Stuck.
I'm hopeful. I'm not overly optimistic, but I'm hopeful. Well, the whole machine's gonna have to go forward. We're not on the back of the trailer.
I think we'll be all right.
I still got another foot.
You can go.
I'll pull just a little more. So here I'm using the Massey and a long cable to pull this thing backwards off the trailer, and I'm using this wireless winch remote and the winch as a brake to keep this thing from just free rolling once it hit the downslope there on the ramp. This wireless winch remote is super handy. I'll put a link to it on Amazon down in the description if you guys are interested in picking one up. They made this job a whole lot easier having that thing. Now, before we go any further, I just want to clarify, this is not my backhoe. This is a job I'm working on for somebody else. When we get it done and functional, we are going to get to use it a little bit for a couple of projects we have around here. We've talked about building a shop, but it's a lot easier to build things when you have construction equipment available to you. So since getting it off the trailer, I have done just a little bit of digging. I got the 4 bolts out of this transmission cover and got it picked up, but it only wants to come up about, you know, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch at the most. And I really can't get in there and see much of anything. So the next step is going to be to remove the seat and everything under it so that we can get down to this rear cover and pull it off and hopefully get some access going forward underneath that. If you guys have ever worked on one of these things or can even just identify the exact model of what we have here, comment down below. I would love to hear from you and love to learn a little bit more about this than what I know at the moment. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see how this all plays out, and more later.